G'day, how you going? Nick from Southwest Australia, and thanks for joining us again. Just want to do a little quick showcase on some of the stuff we've brought in with our latest shipment. Power wash store in conjunction with RHG products, the Tucker range in the USA. We've been able to pick that up as part of our alliance with Paul and the guys. This is the little caddy unit, really simple carry strap here. Pick it up, take it with you, drop it on the ground. They're only 20 inches long, so that's you know, not even 2 feet long, and the poles are quite good as well. This is full carbon, a 25 footer, very simple unit, a nice slide, and a really solid little bracket on here that holds the pole. And one of the things I really like is just, don't break it, Nick, is the little short fella. So that allows you to do shop front stuff really quickly. Just slip it out and away you go. And then of course you can put it back in and hit the facade because you're 25 feet on the pole. Really simple little caddy. You've got a few controls. I can turn off my water here if I want to, just on the end of the caddy. And of course I can regulate a little bit exactly how much I want coming out. It's going straight up my trouser like that, smart. But that gives you a bit of an idea. It's giving us plenty of water. And the other thing too is this is the original style Tucker brush. So you'll see a lot of guys put different brushes out, and mostly people will refer to them as a Tucker. 1957, the Tucker range was established. RHG products now in the USA. If you want information on how to, and what does what, don't hesitate to go to the RHG Products website at www.rhgproducts.com, or feel free to hit me up, 0400 210 646, always happy to have a yak, or of course the website or info@southwestaustralia.com.au. That's the caddy. We've got a cart and we'll show you that a little bit later on. Thank you.